Hey guys. Alright. Captain Chocolate here, and I'm now swimming to the unforgettable islands of doom. I have no clue how long this takes, because... Wait, pet bird should be like, man, you can't hold me anymore. It's all gone. I guess I was kind of close to the marker. I mean, I was a little bit off. Whatever. There it is. Ugh. The Gilded Sword of Awesomeness. Alright, man. So, I've already heard about this. It takes quite a while for you to actually get the good stuff on this guy's body. So I'm just gonna wait here. You know? Alright. Apparently that's called Rise's Tower over there. That's supposed to be the old town. And, I mean, it's... I am back and better than ever. Man, who knew? He looks a little bit like a zombie. This is like a sword in the stone reference. Man, if it took this long to pull it, I'm like, how come you can't have as much force as you did the first time, other than the last moment? I don't know how long I've been recording, but I'll start it right now. Alright. 3 seconds, good. We're doing good. Oh man, my finger's getting tired. Let me just... Alright. I think I'm gonna name this video The Sword in the Stone. It's almost there. Alright, it's almost there. Come on. Come on. So close. It's been over a minute doing this. I think it takes like 2 or 3 minutes to do this. Alright. Come on, my finger's getting tired, man. My finger's getting tired. Alright. Oh no, gimme. No, inventory's full. Oh. Alright, I got sword. Wait, what? His body's on fire. What's going on up here? Oh, gosh, I'm dying here. I'd love to have watermarks out of my face. SOS, come and save us. Oh my gosh, underwater too. This body doesn't seem to... Oh. I think that chemical compound in his body has changed. I got a skill unlocked for that. Boosters, backpack space, definitely. Just right now, that just then. How many uses do I get for this? 7 durability. That's nice, beautiful. I bet it insta-kills anything, so I'm gonna hold on to it and not use it. Actually, wait, hold up. How much damage? My pipe does... Oh, 325 compared to 24? Yeah, insta-kill anything. Don't care. Now we've made it on land. Oh, no, almost died there. Flowers. Okay, blue is lockpicking. White is normal, I think, just like stuff, and weapon is like orange, I think. I think that's how it works when you're using your senses. Oh no, he hurt me. You know what, I just gotta try this out once. I mean, what's wrong with just once? Alright. Oh no. Sorry, zombie. Alright. Oh no. One use. Oh my gosh. How much durability did I got? 6? Just one swing. Oh, alright, that's beautiful. Alright, I just gotta resist using that. 5 pieces left. Heard it doesn't respawn either, so that's not gonna be fun. Come on, come on. Oh, you can make it. Alrighty. Talk to Spike. Where's Spike? Is he in the tower or is he in that one place? Ha, loser. Ha, loser. 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 Oh my gosh, I'm on a roll. Oh, didn't work. I could have died there. Did I pass it up? How did I pass up the tower? It's huge. No, it was over here, actually. Alright, where are you? Wait, why are you all the way up here? What do you mean it's down there? Wait up. We gotta find. I gotta get to the bottom of this. Ah, it's in the thingamadoo.
A little bit under the weather. Don't worry. Zara will figure something out eventually. Did you hear about Raz? Fucking crook. He's getting rich, selling antizin to people like me and you.
Hey, Spike,
Right.
what's up?
Crane, first of all, you did great out there.
Thank you.
From now on, if you need something, come see me. And to start with, here's a UV flashlight and a remote control.
That
You
UV
run up on a
flashlight's kind of
volatile,
small.
give him a face full of UV, or lead him into a trap which you can trigger with that remote. You got it?
Got it.
Perfect. Now for the bad news. Despite your efforts, Brecken's mission failed.
Oh, shit, is he okay?
He's alive, but you need to get back to the tower. Jay called all the scouts in, and that means you.
All the scouts?
Okay. Wonder if I'll finally get to meet Brecken in person.
Alright. Ooh. Where's my UV flashlight? Whatever, I don't care.
Hey, keep a distance from rises, man. You just as soon shoot.
Okay, I don't know why there's an arrow on top of this, but oh my gosh. Thought I was a goner, man. I don't know how to get up here. Report meeting with the towers letter to the GR. Oh. I was like, this isn't the tower.
Crane here.
Report.
I'm about to have a meeting with the tower's leader.
Acknowledged. Confirm his identity and contact us immediately.
Alright, come on. Oof. Could have died there. Only 8 minutes in, not that bad. Alright. Take. Thank you for your goodies.
Brecken's mission failed. Jade called a meeting in the tower. It's my opportunity to finally meet with Brecken and confirm his identity.
Got that right, man. Amount of videos I've recorded, I'll be recording on, uploading all night. Of course, I think I'm gonna do them in a day interval, maybe.
Good job out there, 31. I mean Crane, right?
Thank you. It's getting ready to kill you. Travel to the future, man. All right.
Crane,
Yeah.
listen. Brecken and a team of runners went after an airdrop last night. He lost the rest of his team to biters, and then Rise's men ambushed him,
it
beat him
sucked.
to a pulp, and stole the drop. Now Brecken wants to go after the next drop himself, but we can't let him, and you've got to back me up, okay?
Can't go to an airdrop by yourself. They have
You
like
can't
guns
even
and
walk
stuff.
straight. We need you alive, you idiot.
Okay, we're going in. Act confident. Brecken,
And do that thing's gonna give you
Lena?
100 health.
Maybe you can get through to him.
Jade, who's your friend?
Kyle Crane.
look, Brecken, the last thing we need is for you to go back out there. We can figure out another way without jeopardizing you. Right, Crane?
I'll
There's
go.
nothing in your
I'll do
fridge,
it.
man.
Right? Yes?
I
Crane
didn't
will
check
go.
that.
He'll be
Wait,
happy
what was
to.
that? Candy bar? I don't know where you got that, man. I'm sorry.
Jesus. No offense, friend, but you're as green as grass. You can't just...
Crane will manage. He'll start in the right spot. And Lena's right, you need to be here taking care of the towers, convincing them the world's not over yet.
Oh, hell. Maybe one more try before we go to Rice. Yeah, okay, fine.
Is that for me?
Good luck,
Whatever, I don't
Crane.
care. I agree. Yeah, give me that money tomorrow.
Jade, a moment.
Sure. Head for the cauldron, I'll be in touch shortly.
Wink. Alright. Ooh, hello.
Look, there's something else we need to discuss. Brecken was hurt pretty bad out there. Worse than he wants people to know. He took a blow to the head. Now he's starting to have seizures, and I don't have any Loratrax.
Yeah, I doubt anyone does. Anti-seizure drugs were being passed out like candy when the infection first started. And the stores ran out weeks ago.
Yes, that's right. How do you know that?
Look, what do you need me to do, Lena?
There's a man in town named Ghazi. He's
Ghazi.
not altogether there, if you know what I mean. His mother had epilepsy, so he used to pick up medicine for her each month. She died 2 years ago, but Ghazi kept going to the store to pick up her prescription. He likes his routine, and Ghazi can be very insistent. So, they kept giving it to him.
Think he's been stockpiling it all this time?
If he hasn't, I don't know where else we're going to get it from. Ghazi lives under the overpass. And don't mention his mother's death. He won't understand.
She had a night torch there like 10 times. Hello, man. Wait, what? What? Oh,
That
I
wood
guess
must
you.
still have a lot of things in that pawn shop of his. Yeah, probably a bit of everything, really. Sure could use some of that stuff now.
Hey, do you have spare keys for 202?
No.
Well, what's the problem?
Something's going on in there. The door's locked from inside.
202, thank you. I'm guessing that's upstairs.
There it is again.
Crap, sorry.
What's going on here?
Bayer's locked himself in the room. We could hear him screaming.
He may have turned.
You hear that?
I can't get this lock. You want to try it?
I guess. I mean, I can give it a shot. I've never locked a big jet. What's that? Door down. Door down. Crap. Okay. Escape to continue. It's not that. No, sir. Alright.
Give it a try.
That works.
Oh, he's good.
Here? You in here?
Help me.
Nothing in here. Oh, hi, man.
Tell me what's wrong.
I can't move. My chest feels like it's going to explode.
Are you
gotta turn
turning?
into them boom
No,
zombies.
no. I took antizin and the pain started. Ugh. The vial is on the floor.
Give me that.
What you took is junk.
What?
It's fake. Where did you get this from, Bahir?
Please, I need a doctor.
First, tell me who sold you that.
I can't, I promised. This guy is very useful. He brings me things from the outside.
Yeah, like
Is that
phony
antizin?
antizin? People could be giving this to their kids.
A
You want
shot.
them to go through this?
No! God, no!
Then tell me who sold it to you.
Yusuf. He's one of the scouts. He lives on the roof.
Okay, I'll get Dr. Lena.
Oh,
Witch
please.
doctor. Right, whatever.
What happened?
Did you kill him?
Ah,
What?
I've
No.
got to get out of here.
Look, he's not
I need
turning,
to
but he
get my
needs a
wife and
doctor.
kids somewhere
Oh, crap.
safe.
You know, it seems to me this is about the only safe place there is.
Safest place in the slums,
should get
maybe,
the doctor.
but the
That's
slums
good.
aren't safe. It's no place for my family, and I found a way out.
You mean out of the slums?
I can't tell you the details, but I need to get across town, and I can't do it without a gun. If you'll get me one, I'll tell you about a place that hasn't been looted yet. I promise you won't regret it.
Well, how do you know this place hasn't been looted?
Because there's only one person that has access to this place, and you're looking at him. Bring me a gun, and the key is yours, as well as everything you find there.
a gun. How about a toy gun? Yeah, gunslinger.
You better have a look at this.
The lot number's wrong. Is this a fake?
Someone on 21 took it, and now he can't even get off the floor.
Aman, get down to 21 now. Where did he get it from?
Yusuf. He's one of the scouts.
Well, he can't be producing it here. Someone's supplying him.
I'll have a talk with Yusuf.
The sooner the better. Don't hurt him. Just talk to him.
World peace. I like it. Alright, up on the floor. Nope, up another floor. How come the elevator doesn't go to the top floor? It's not you. Ah, there you
Yusuf?
Welcome to Yusuf's Emporium. If it's hard to find, you need to
Ghosting,
find
man.
Yusuf. Whatever your needs, Yusuf has it all.
Yeah, I'm looking for antizin.
Well, of course you are. My friend, this is your most lucky day.
No, Yusuf, it's your lucky day. Because I'm going to give you a chance to come clean and tell me where you got that counterfeit junk you sold to Bahir.
Bahir? Bahir, you say? Do I know this Bahir?
He nearly died from that phony antizin you sold him.
Phony? Are you sure? You're saying it's no good. I just bought 10 vials from those guys. I paid good money.
Which guys?
Well, that's kind of a sensitive issue.
Which guys, Yusuf?
Oh, give me a second, man.
If I'm running out of patience.
Crap.
There's a building next to the drugstore. A couple of survivors live there. I don't know how many. I've never been inside. They have medicines. Some of them are real. I guess from the drugstore. They also cook their own stuff. The guy I deal with is named Bento.
All right, now you're going to burn the rest of those vials.
But they cost me a lot of money.
It'll cost you a lot more if I find you peddling that junk anymore.
Alright, guys. It is about 20 minutes past. Actually, it's about 20 minutes, just a little bit under. And I'm guessing the next quest is going to be quite a little bit of time. So I'm going to have to go. Alright. You guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video, alright? See ya. Crap.